Outstanding design defines the 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.